Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a 1968 GTO, and it's got the hideaway lights that I love, and it's got a 4-speed sitting between those bucket seats right there. It's a Pontiac historical documented car. It was born the way you see it. Also has the rally gauges. Numbers match 400 motor. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, look at all the pictures. You will find a price tag on every one of our cars along with the monthly finance option at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you need to click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, the top's down. Let's go for a spin. Excuse me. I got this from a customer of ours, friend of ours, known him a long time. He's a car guy. He's been in the body shop business his entire life. He collects cars. He enjoys driving his cars. My point is, this is coming from a good guy. Underneath the car is rock solid. The floors, everything look real good. He just put a brand new dual exhaust system, the correct reproduction exhaust system. All the way back is new, including the correct optional stainless tips on the back. They might be chrome. Underneath the motor is real nice and clean. It's got the 4-speed transmission. It's an M21. It's got disc brakes up front. A lot of them were still, no, 69. They came with disc, I believe. 68 were drum, a lot of them. He put new shocks. They're air shocks in the back, gas shocks up front, and the car drives like a dream. He just kept telling me how nice it drove. Just a little bit, I just moved it around. The clutch was nice, it idled nice, steering wheel's nice. This would be a great car to get in, shift some gears, and go enjoy it. The body is painted midnight green. That's the original color. I know they have a lot of Verduro greens and other greens, but this is a rare color. I don't recall seeing it, and it's really sharp looking. It's like a bluish, greenish look to it. So anyway, the body, it's got the scooped hood, lines up real nice. This front rubber bumper is really in excellent shape. There's not even a scuff or a crack. There's no cracks on the bumper. That's amazing. And it lines up nice, and the bumper is nice and tight to the body. That's impressive. This is all straight as an arrow. From here, the car looks black, and there's not a ripple. It's all smooth along the bottoms. The door fits real nice, all smooth, no bubbles. This is all in great shape. This is all real nice, lines up real nice. This side's just as good, just as straight, no rust, no damage. The metal flake is laid out evenly. The whole car is all one color, there's no issues with that. It has a very smooth, glossy finish. Like I said, he was a body man. I think he said he wet sanded and buffed this one. Bumper, looks like show quality chrome on the bumper. Tail lights look to be in very nice shape. But when the light hits it, this really dances. Rally 2 wheels, they're a little bit dull. They might be original, but they do have the right lug nuts. New center caps. Trim rings are nice and shiny. Door handle's good. Moldings look good. Mirror looks new. This stainless trim looks new or polished. Windshield's crystal clear. That's new. I started off by saying it has the hideaway lights that I love. If I was buying a 69 GTO to keep, I think that would be a must. I really like the hideaway headlights, and they do work. You'll see that at the end of this video. They're vacuum, so they're a little slow, but they do work. All right, so that's a good-looking car. It's got a black power convertible top in really nice shape. There's pictures on our website. Well, let's open it up, see the inside. All right, let's see what we got in here. Very nice impression. Under the trunk lid, painted nicely. Weather strip looks to be in good shape. Nice, clean spatter finish. Nice, clean metal. Mat looks new. The well liner looks good. It's got a Rally 2 wheel for a spare. Tires got air in it. Jack assembly looks to be like it's painted and cleaned up nicely. Wiring is tidy. Yeah, it's a nice trunk compartment. Door jambs are nice. Weather strips and window seals have been replaced. Sill plates are new. Door panels look like they're new. Very tidy inside. Not perfect, but very nice. Unabused. So you got a really nice dash area. The dash pad is mint. We have the Rally gauges. That's an option. We have a tachometer, which is optional. We have an AM/FM radio, which is optional. Power top. We got a tilt. Oh, I'm in the way there. We got a tilt wheel. This is a deluxe wheel. That's optional. And see, none of this is cracked or drilled or broken. All very nice. Light works in the glove box. The liner is clean. Kick panels are nice. Center console's real nice. There's a walnut knob with the Hurst shifter. Got Pontiac mats down on the floor. The front seats have new cushion in them, so they feel new. They're nice and firm. They've been reupholstered. There is a little crack over here on the headrest. The back seat looks to be in really nice shape, probably reupholstered too. Original seat belts, they're a little faded, but they're in good shape. Side panels look real nice. The mirror, the visors, the pillars going up the window, all that's very nice. Like I said, unabused. Interior lights are working. Windshield's crystal clear. So this is the VIN number matching 400 motor, 350 horsepower, all stock, valve covers, air cleaner, the vacuum lines, the heat riser tube, all that stuff is still there. Alternator looks new. Oil sending unit looks new. Has the HO manifolds. Just the way it's supposed to be. Here's the washer bottle and the shroud and the radiator cap and the filler panel up front here. All this is proper. We have power steering, power brakes, spring clamp battery cables. Wires are run neatly. Has hood insulation. So it just looks very nice and proper. Not a nut and bolt rotisserie restored car, but just a nice car. Yeah, I like this car. I wouldn't be ashamed to sell this to anybody. Again, it seems like it's really dialed in. It's got a great list of options. It's documented. It's number matching. And it's a GM muscle car, 4-speed, convertible, very desirable. Whether it's a GTO or a 442 or Chevelle, very desirable car. And this is a very nice example of one. Go to volocars.com. That way you can talk to the salesman. They'll help ship this to your door. They'll help answer your questions. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified as these videos are posted. Thanks for watching.